In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple budget in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing personal finances, tracking household expenses, or just trying to keep a closer eye on where your money goes, setting up a budget is a crucial tool. So, let's dive right in and set up a straightforward budgeting system in Google Sheets together. Start by opening a new Google Sheet. You can do this by heading to your Google Drive, clicking on New, and then selecting Google Sheets. A fresh spreadsheet will open up, waiting for you to create your budget masterpiece. Once your sheet is open, the next step is to enter your expenses. For our purposes, let's imagine you have a list of expenses you want to sum up. Click on the cell where you want the total to appear and type in the formula equals sum, open parenthesis, B5 colon B7, close parenthesis. This formula tells Google Sheets to total up everything from cell B5 to B7. Once you've typed that in, press Enter to see the total of your selected expenses. Next, let's move on to summing another set of expenses. Click on the next cell where you'd like this total to appear and type in equals sum, open parenthesis, E5 colon E29, close parenthesis. Make sure you have the right range selected for your columns. Once you verify it, press Enter, and just like before, your total will magically appear. Now, it's time to see how your earnings compare to your expenses with a simple calculation. Click on the cell where you wish to reflect this and type equals H4 minus H5. Essentially, this formula is subtracting your total expenses from your income, giving you an immediate view of what's left over. Once again, you'll press Enter to finalize that calculation. After following these steps, you'll notice how comprehensive and intuitive Google Sheets makes budgeting. It automatically calculates totals and differences, allowing you to spend less time number crunching and more time making informed financial decisions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Feel free to adjust your ranges and formulas as needed to accommodate your specific financial situation. Don't forget the Enter key is your friend. Without it, those calculations won't be set in stone. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip. Consider making each category of your budget visually distinct by using colors. Color coding your expenses, income, and balances can help you quickly identify categories at a glance. Navigate to the Fill Color option on the toolbar and choose a shade that reflects each category. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering your finances with a simple Google Sheets budget. Thanks for watching, and make sure to keep all your data regularly updated to maintain an accurate budget. Happy budgeting, and I'll see you in the next video.